Alright, ladies and gentlemen, Panda here. We got another newer product. This is the newer GM34 quick release. So ladies and gentlemen, I want to show you what I'm using for this Zhiyun gimbal, so I don't have to go through the hassle of like unscrewing a adapter or unscrewing a hot shoe all the time. Just a quick release should do the job efficiently, and I think it just does the job well on this gimbal. Balance out a little bit of everything. Like you said, you gotta balance it out, but with audio it works very well. So everyone, let me explain what this is. This is a secure lock. This locks down any of the quick releases just in case you forget or you accidentally hit the release latch that's in front of this quick release. So this is a safety precaution to make sure that you should always use this when locking down your devices. Ladies and gentlemen, this is the release latch for the quick release. So if you accidentally use the release latch, the secure lock system will come in play. So let me show you the bottom of that quick release, ladies and gentlemen, and this is how the bolt should be on any quick release. So if you don't have a tool, you also have a little handle where you can tighten it yourself with your hand or fingers, which I like. Now this bolt is pretty well made so far. We'll have to give it more of a thorough test later on, but I do have to say, very excellent execution, Neewer, and thinking about the flexibility in screwing down quick releases to devices, phones, tablets, whatever it may be. But ladies and gentlemen, I want you to take a good look at the design of this quick release. And mind you, this quick release latch is pretty tough, which I like the build quality. Feels very premium. And as you can see, that lock feature is important. Now on the bottom you get the option 1/4-20 thread or 3/8, your choice. You can take out the nut stoppers, which I did for this gimbal, so I can have more flexibility to move up and down as I please on the plate. So that's what it looks like, and definitely recommended. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, this is how I'm using this newer GM34 quick release on my Zhiyun gimbal. Before I do anything, ladies and gentlemen, I need to unlock it from the back. That's the first thing I need to do, and then hold the release trigger, and it comes off just that easy. Now to put it back on, it is simple, and then lock in place. Therefore, it doesn't accidentally come off. I also want to show you that it's working very perfectly with the JJC magnetic lens filter adapter for your iPhone. This is like the perfect setup for mobile setups. Just to give you guys context how I feel about the product.